What a week we had last week. Started with Google's Gemini Advanced update, the Gemini Pro 1.5 announcement, boasting a 1 million token context window, 7 times larger than ChatGPT's. And then OpenAI reclaimed the spotlight with a revolutionary text-to-video model. And if that's not all, ChatGPT is getting memory to remember who you are and what you like. Have you wondered why Sam Altman needs $7 trillion? There's only one reason for that. So OpenAI has just unveiled a groundbreaking move in the AI landscape with the introduction of Sora, a revolutionary AI model capable of turning text descriptions and images into compelling, lifelike videos lasting up to a minute. Feast your eyes on these spellbinding examples. Sora's main features are text-to-video, image-to-video, and video enhancement. The text-to-video effortlessly generates hyper-realistic videos up to 60 seconds from simple text prompts. The image-to-video transforms static images into dynamic scenes with seamless motion. And the video enhancement enables the addition of new sequences to pre-existing videos. Currently, Sora is in the hands of a select cadre of testers and creators, aiming to collect valuable feedback and perfect the model. This marks a significant milestone in AI-driven video creation. OpenAI is at the forefront, ushering in an era where video content can be generated as easily as text has been. This innovation opens up a realm of possibilities for creative minds, but also introduces potential challenges in misinformation and the creation of deep fakes. The computational power required for these video creations is immense, shedding light on why Sam Altman has been vocal about the need to secure a staggering investment of $7 trillion that we will discuss later. For over a year, ChatGPT has managed to capture the unchallenged top spot for language models, always being one step ahead of the competition. Now, for the first time, that is starting to change. After Google hesitated, made some mistakes, and even embarrassed themselves a bit, they finally got their act together. They launched Gemini Advanced, their most powerful model yet, which is a real competitor to ChatGPT. But is Gemini Advanced really on the same level as ChatGPT? It's still too early to say for sure, but there seems to be close competition. Associate Professor Ethan Mollick, a lecturer at Stanford University on AI, got early access to Gemini Advanced 2 months ago and tried it out on various tasks. He concludes that the models are at a similar level, with ChatGPT leading in the area of coding and complex tasks, and Gemini leading in information retrieval and wording texts that sound human-like. In the search and image creation test, Gemini used YouTube for search, while ChatGPT used Bing. Both occasionally forgot their capabilities, such as image creation. Gemini produced better images but lacked precise control. In the Apple test, a word game challenge, GPT-4 performed well, while Gemini did not. In the creative writing test, Gemini demonstrated good creative writing abilities, as seen in the MIST Crystal test. In addition, it seems like Google has learned a few things from OpenAI, and it seems that the team working on Gemini is going into startup mode. They are constantly asking users for feedback, are aware of the problems that exist, and are updating on what they are working on. However, that's not the end of the story. Last week, Google introduced the Gemini 1.5 Pro, an advanced update set to rival the top players in the industry. They will upgrade their mid-tier model Gemini Pro, which is currently in second place on the leaderboard, with slightly less impressive performance than GPT-4, but they claim the new version will be on par with their strongest model, Gemini Advanced. This enhanced version can handle an incredible 1 million tokens, with the potential to reach up to 10 million. This means it can analyze up to 700,000 words, 30,000 lines of code, or 11 hours of spoken audio. approximately 7 times more than what ChatGPT-4 can manage. Imagine the possibility of inputting your entire email inbox, project documentation, or entire code repository into a chatbot for immediate analysis. The implications are astounding. If you want to try Gemini for yourself, I'll add the link to the description below. Last week, OpenAI also released a new feature that they are still calling an experiment for a small group of users. The feature allows the chat to learn about you from your conversations to personalize its responses. But how does it work? Similar to custom instructions, which allows you to add permanent information about yourself to ChatGPT, the chat creates a profile for itself that consists of sentences it has understood about who you are and what your preferences are. Sounds a bit scary, doesn't it? Yes, a bit. No one likes to be tracked, especially when they don't know what parts of the conversations are being saved and which are not. To address this issue, they gave users the option to opt out and also the option to go into memory to see the information that was saved and edit it. In addition, they added a temporary chat option where the chat does not learn about you, just like incognito in the browser. And speaking about OpenAI, Sam Altman, the CEO of the company, has an ambitious plan to revolutionize the semiconductor industry. He is in talks with investors, including the United Arab Emirates government, to raise funds for a tech initiative that aims to boost the world's chip-building capacity and expand its ability to power artificial intelligence. The project could require a staggering investment of up to $7 trillion. The initiative is driven by the need for more advanced AI chips, known as GPUs, which are essential for training large language models like ChatGPT. Altman has expressed concerns about the scarcity of these chips, which are crucial for OpenAI's goal of achieving artificial general intelligence, defined as systems that are smarter than humans. This massive investment would significantly exceed the current size of the global semiconductor industry, which had sales of $527 billion last year. The plan involves partnering with chip makers and power providers to build chip foundries that would be operated by existing manufacturers, with OpenAI as a significant customer. The discussions are in their early stages, and the full list of potential investors has yet to be discovered. The project could span years and face numerous challenges, including securing funding and navigating geopolitical considerations, especially given the strategic importance of the semiconductor industry to the U.S. government. Altman's vision extends beyond AI and includes investments in startups focused on nuclear fusion and extending the human lifespan. His efforts to expand chip capacity are also motivated by the high energy consumption of AI facilities. I hope you liked the video. Here are 2 videos I've selected just for you. Thanks for watching.